Welcome to the knowledge series. Here under easy way to basics of LaTeX, you are going to view the font structure size. This is the reference book. So here is the font structure size. Font structure is depend upon the style of the font, its LaTeX code, and thereby it produces the output. As you can see on the very top, this text is tiny. That means tiny is the font style, and the LaTeX code is the \tiny. The next one is, you can see this type is script size. That means the style of the font is script size, and the LaTeX code is script size. And the next is, you can see the font size. The style of the font is font size, and the LaTeX code is \font size. Similarly, the next one, the LaTeX code is \small, \normal size, \large, with L capital large, \ with all the alphabet in uppercase, \ with huge, and \ with the starting alphabet uppercase, and with the rest with the lowercase. So this is how this font size is being used. Not only this one, the font size that we command, the command that we give on the very first command, that is the \document class, where we try to give the options and followed by we try to give the argument. In the options, we can opt the options of 10 pt, 11 pt, 12 pt. If we are selecting the 10 pt, and there if we are using a \tiny, its font size is equal to 5. On the other hand, if you are taking 11 pt, the font size is equal to 6. And if you are taking 12 pt, the font size is 6. In the similar order, the rest of the commands, if you are under the command class of 10 pt, we are using these fonts dimensions at 10 for the huge, with the initial alphabet H is uppercase, that its size is 24.88, for 11 pt 24.88, and 12 pt 24.88. But in the intermediate, there you can observe it changes. Here is another command for the resizing of the box with respect to the line width. You can select based on the line width, and you can observe this the font appearance. So these are some of the basic command structures that the font structure size you can able to experience. Let's see the command over the text studio. Here is a text you can view. Is this one is that a document class with the option 10 pt with the argument article. Of course, EOS package ESO pick is being used. And here, if you are seeing the begin document and end document, that is, this is the first, second, third content, and fourth is the end document. So in this one, text is there. Once upon a time, there lived one handsome prince who by the curse of magicians was turned to frog. This is one line. And another line is there within the curly bracket. It is given he could be only feed from this if one princess kiss her. And followed by the next line, you can see being small, end small. And here it is a text. Richness of my mind determines the ultimate personality of a person. She out of curiosity like the frog. And there is a huge. He is called the father of Indian constitution. So a different statement with a different style of appearance is being put. And when you try to see the first three line is almost all you can find it is appearing similar. But on the last line, because of the huge text, it has changed. Now let us change this the same commands so that let us experience how. So let me follow this command for some of the lines, and we will try to experience how it is. Here is a huge, okay, the first huge you can see. The next one we will do the with the small h, okay, and followed by this the next one let us use a large, L-A-R-G-E, large, and here we will be using large with the small font, and here we will try to use small. Let us use small. Here we will be using, let us try to use the script size. And here we will use tiny. And let us see the outcome. You can, okay, since it is all mixed up, let us do one thing. We'll give a double slash over there, and everywhere we'll try to put, and we'll try to experience, so that because it is not in the form of a itemize or enumerate or like this, a bulleting, so that's why it appears. So this is how it is appearing. You can see every space you can increase the space by giving a backslash par with the dimensions, so automatically it will also go with more spacing. So this is how it appears. So this is one of the basic style over which we try to create and of a different font size. And more about this you can experience, and by doing the reference study as well as doing the examples. With this, let me conclude. Thank you.